For our wedding celebration, we didn't do traditional favors at all. Instead, we printed out pictures from our ceremony, which happened a month before the main celebration, put them in beautiful envelopes and placed them on the table, so each guest could pick a photo they liked and take it home. And you know what? So many guests told us it was the most personal thing they received at a wedding. So this made me think a lot about what actually makes a favor worth keeping. And today I want to share 50 ideas that do exactly that, and all under $5. So let's start with edible favors, because honestly I think this is a category where you are least likely to waste money. People eat things, right? They don't leave food on the table. So idea number 1, honey sticks. You can buy them in bulk for less than $1 each, and you can find them, for example, on Amazon. I think they are really adorable, especially if you add a little tag that says something like sweet beginnings or, just your names and the date. By the way, I'm going to link everything in the description below, so you don't have to search. Second idea, small jars of jam or honey. You can buy those, or if you have a bit of time and want to save more, you can actually make jam at home and fill in a small pretty jar with it. That's a really personal touch and something I personally would really appreciate receiving. Idea number 3, custom tea bags. There are suppliers who will print your names and wedding date directly on the tea bag tag. So every time your guest makes tea in the morning, they will think of your wedding day, which is kind of beautiful. Fourth idea, hot chocolate packets. You can buy bulk hot cacao mix and portion it into small craft bags, with a ribbon and a custom tag. I think it's perfect for autumn or winter weddings, so just go for it. Idea number 5, spice blends. This is something I found really cool actually. You can create a small custom spice blend, maybe something for roasting vegetables or a mullein spice for warm drinks. Portion it into small bags and add a recipe card. Fifth idea, small chocolates or lollipops, depending on what fits your style better. Both photograph really well on tables. You can find custom options on Etsy where they stamp your initials into the chocolate. Idea number 7, popcorn in small bags. You can season it however you like and tie it with a beautiful ribbon. 8th idea, cookies in small cellophane bags. Either buy shortbread cookies in bulk and place them inside, or bake them and add a custom sticker. Idea number 9, seed packets for herbs. Okay, I know this is also a bit in the eco category, but I put it here because guests will actually grow and eat these herbs, so it has a food connection. 10th idea, olive oil mini bottles. These look really elegant on a table, and I think more for a Mediterranean or Italian style wedding, this is gonna be really perfect. Okay, so now let's talk about DIY favors. I want to be honest with you here. DIY makes sense only if you enjoy the process. If you're already stressed with wedding planning, adding a project that takes 10 hours is not going to help you. But if you have friends or family who want to help, this can actually be a really beautiful pre-wedding activity and the cost savings are real. Idea number 11, hand-poured mini candles. You can buy soy wax, small things, wicks and fragrance oil in bulk. I would recommend making a small batch first to test, to test the scent and the burn, before committing to 80 of them. Idea number 12, bath salts in small jars. Epsom salt, a few drops of essential oil, maybe some dried lavender, a simple craft label. Very easy to make in big batches. Idea number 13. Hand-painted small terracotta pots with a succulent or small cactus. Guests can take it home and keep it alive, which I think is such a nice symbol for a new marriage. The 14th idea. Ribbon bookmarks. If you have guests who love to read, a beautiful satin ribbon bookmark with a small charm and a tag takes maybe 30 seconds to make each one. Idea number 15. Pressed flower bookmarks or cards. You press wildflowers in advance, glue them to a card, laminate. Really beautiful and cost almost nothing if you collect flowers yourself. Idea number 16. Personalized matchboxes. You can buy plain matchboxes in bulk and decorate them with a custom label. This favor is actually very useful. The 17th idea. Small sachets of dried lavender. Sew simple fabric bags or buy them in bulk, fill with dried lavender, tie with twine. Very relaxing scent and costs under $1 per sachet. Idea number 18. Homemade lip balm in small pots. Very simple recipes using beeswax and coconut oil. A very personal favor, in my opinion. Idea number 19. Custom painted river stones. You paint a small word, a heart, or your wedding date on the smooth stones. Cost is nearly zero if you collect the stones yourself. Okay, idea number 20. Mini photo prints of you as a couple. This is actually what we did in a way, and I honestly think it is one of the most personal options. You print a favorite photo, maybe one that guests haven't seen, put it in a small craft envelope and leave one per couple at the table. By the way, I'm curious, what favor did you receive at the wedding that you actually kept? Leave it in the comments below, and because I really want to know, and honestly it will help everyone watching this video get more ideas too. So please share. So now let's move on to personalized favors, and I think this is where it gets really interesting because personalization doesn't have to be expensive. You know, a lot of couples think you need to spend a lot of money to make something feel personal, but actually it's just about adding the right detail. Idea number 21. Custom stickers. You can design your own sticker with your initials, wedding date, or even a small illustration. Then you stick them on literally anything: a jar, a bag, a box. Idea number 22. Personalized mini notebooks. Small craft notebooks with your names printed on the cover. Very practical and people actually use them. Idea number 23. Custom bookmarks with your wedding date and a quote you love. Just print them on cardstock. Idea number 24. Personalized luggage tags. If many of your guests travel, a leather-look luggage tag with their name or your wedding date is genuinely useful for years. 25th idea. Custom keychain with an initial or a small shape. You can find acrylic ones or wooden ones which look really beautiful. 26th idea. Mini bottles of hot sauce with a custom label. There is actually a whole trend around this. Labels that say something like "We are on fire" or your names with a flame design. People love it. Idea number 27. Personalized fortune cookies. You can order this with custom messages inside. Maybe a quote about love or a little inside joke. Idea number 28. Custom printed bandanas or handkerchiefs. For a small intimate wedding, this is really beautiful and people keep them. 29th idea. Mini bottles of wine or champagne with a custom label. You can find mini bottles and create your own label design. Idea number 30. A custom recipe card. Share your favorite recipe as a couple, design it beautifully, print it. Cost is almost zero and it is so personal. I think this is one of my favorite ideas in this whole video. Now let's talk about eco-friendly favors, and I want to say here that I think this category is growing really fast because couples are more and more conscious about the waste that weddings produce. And actually eco-friendly favors are often also the cheapest one, which is kind of a win-win situation. Idea number 31. Seed paper cards. These are cards made of paper embedded with wildflower seeds. Guests plant the whole card in soil and flowers grow. Idea number 32. Small pots of living herbs like basil or mint. Guests take them home and use these fresh herbs. It's really practical. Idea number 33. Beeswax wraps. These are reusable food wraps that replace plastic wrap. You can find small ones, they are very useful and very on trend. Idea number 34. Bamboo toothbrushes in a small craft box. Useful, sustainable, and something people actually often run out of. Idea number 35. Small packets of wildflower seeds in a custom envelope. Again, simple, beautiful, and when the flowers bloom in spring, guests will think of your wedding. Idea number 36. Reusable cotton drawstring bags. You can print your names on them, fill them with a small treat, and guests have a useful bag afterwards. 37th idea. Small wooden items like a mini wooden spoon or a tiny cutting board. You can find unfinished wood items in bulk and personalize them with a wood burner pen. Very cozy and actually very aesthetic. Idea number 38. Beeswax candle tin. Made from natural ingredients in a beautiful packaging. Idea number 39. A small packet of organic loose leaf tea in a nylon bag. I find this one is a really lovely idea. And 40th idea. Personalized seed paper bookmark. Guests read with it and then plant part of it. Now let's have a little fun. Not every wedding has to be super serious and elegant. Some couples want their guests to laugh and feel like they're at a party, and that's completely valid. So here are some fun and novelty ideas. Idea number 41. Custom sunglasses. You know, for a summer or outdoor wedding, you could use mini plastic sunglasses with your wedding date on the arm. Guests wear them immediately and you get great photos. Idea number 42. Custom can coolers. Very popular for hot day and people actually can use them for years. Idea number 43. Mini bottles of bubbles. Classic, but you can get custom labeled ones and they work especially well for outdoor ceremonies. 44th idea. Hand fans for summer outdoor weddings. Printed with your names and date. Guests are grateful when it is hot and you will see them in your photos, which is actually a nice additional detail. Idea number 45. Custom temporary tattoos with your initials or a small symbol. So fun for an evening party. Idea number 46. Mini plain cards with your photo on the back. This is something people actually keep in their home. Idea number 47. Scratch cards you design yourself. You can buy them on Etsy and create little games. In this way, guests can be entertained during cocktail hour. Idea number 48. A custom digital wallpaper for phones. You can design a beautiful image with your wedding date and maybe a photo, and guests can set it as their phone wallpaper. Idea number 49. Mini photo magnets of you as a couple. You know, fridge magnets are one of the few things that actually stay visible in people's home. Idea number 50. A custom illustrated portrait of you as a couple. You can order one and then use it as a postcard. So you commission one artist to draw you, then print it as a postcard for all guests. I think this is actually really adorable and something nobody else will have done at a wedding your guest attended before. And just to sum up, I want to remind you that the best favor is the one that feels like you as a couple. It doesn't have to be expensive, it doesn't have to be traditional. I'm going to link all the products I mentioned in the description below so you can find them easily. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I try to post twice a month my all new ideas about wedding. I wish you a beautiful and memorable wedding celebration. Happy planning!